Hello and welcome to the Martin-Rea Manufacturing Systems video series. The objective of this video is to demonstrate real-time production reporting procedures and validation for container standard pack quantities. This video is intended as a guide for all Martin-Rea International Fluid Systems divisions. The sign-in process requires you to scan a series of 6 barcodes at the beginning of the shift. By scanning these barcodes, all aspects of real-time production reporting will be properly set and ready to run. The first step is to scan the printer. This activates the printer for the current production run. Next, proceed to the resource area. Scan the department, resource, and date shift barcodes. These 3 scans will create the production batch for your resource under the current date and shift, which will allow for the full traceability of all parts manufactured and reported. Next, proceed to the final assembly gauge. Scan the Run Part label to identify what part you will be producing. Every finished good label will be verified against this code, ensuring that only appropriate parts are scanned. Finally, scan your employee tag number, which is found on the back of your swipe card. The production phase requires all finished goods to be labeled individually. Most machines print and apply ID labels on a part-by-part basis as they're manufactured. If manual application is necessary, the labels must be applied in the same manner, part by part as they are manufactured. This ensures correct labeling. Individual ID labels are not validated or recognized in the system until they've been scanned in by the operator. The scanner will warn you if an incorrect part number or duplicate label has been scanned. After successful completion of the operator sign-on procedure, simply begin packaging goods and scanning them individually inside the bin. The scanner will keep track of how many parts have been packaged and scanned. When the standard pack quantity has been reached, 2 copies of internal production labels will print automatically. Affix the production labels to either side of the container and seal it appropriately for storage. After the sign-on procedure, if you are resuming a partial bin, find the partial bin label on the container and scan the 3 codes in sequential order. They are labeled 1, 2, and 3, moving from top to bottom. This will enable the scanner to resume counting the current part from the correct point in the production run. After scanning these codes, you may scan the finished goods as you load them into the bin. The final phase of real-time production reporting is the end-of-shift procedure. The main objective of the end-of-shift procedure is to make sure all production reporting is accurate so that work can resume at the next shift with no discrepancies. If your bin is fully packed at the end of the shift, apply the 2 copies of the internal production label which printed automatically as per standard production run procedure. If the bin is only partially complete, scan the partial bin code posted in the labeling station. 2 copies of a partial bin label will print automatically. Stick the labels to either side of the bin and seal it properly for storage. To sign off, scan the end shift code found at the labeling station. This will log you off the system. Thank you for watching the Martin-Rea Manufacturing Systems real-time production reporting video.